and we will all keep still. It means we will all keep quiet. We will all keep quiet. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. He wants everybody to just keep quiet. This is only the basis of the language that we can create the differences among ourselves. ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ দিয়েই তো আমরা কথা বলি না, এই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটা দিয়ে আমরা এক একজনের সাথে ডিফারেন্স এটা আমরা নিজেরাই তৈরি করি। সেই জন্য he wants everybody to just keep quiet. Why? This is only the basis of the language that we can create the differences among ourselves. So the poet here tells that for once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. We are to stop. We are to stop to moving our arms. Here the poet wants to tell us that here we are to stop to moving our arms, means to stop all the activities that may be commercial or that may be anything, just to keep quiet, just to stop all the activities, all types of activities. So the poet here wants to say, let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. We are to stop moving our arms, means to stop all the activities, all types of activities. It would be an then it would be an it would be an exotic moment. Exotic means wonderful moment, without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. It would be a strange, rare moment. Exotic means wonderful. It would be an exotic moment. That means it would be a strangely rare moment. Exotic means wonderful, without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. That means it would be a wonderful moment or time. Without rush means when we don't have to hurry to go here, to go there. Have you understood what I am telling? It would be a wonderful moment if we stop or if we keep quiet. Then it would be a wonderful moment or wonderful time without rush. Means when we don't have to hurry to go here, to go office, to go to market, to go to school, everything. And we would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Without rush means without when we don't have to hurry to here and there. And without engines means without noises. Without noises, pollutions of the motor cars, vehicles, of the engine, of the road, এগুলো সব বন্ধ থাকবে when we keep quiet for a moment. Then it will then give us strange feelings of togetherness. Then it will give us a strange feelings of togetherness with all others. Have you understood? Hello? Have you understood what I am telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then আমি আবার রিপিট করছি, দেখো, I am repeating. It would be an exotic moment. That means it would be a strangely, it would be a wonderful moment. Without rush means we don't have to go hurry to go here and there. If we keep quiet for some time, we would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Means without engines, we would all be together in a sudden strangeness. That means without engine means without of the noises, pollutions of the motor cars, of the engines of the road. We are all in peace. It will then give us a very strange feelings of togetherness with all others. Then fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. Fishermen in the cold sea, here fishermen symbolizes the people who exploit the earth's natural resources for their own interest. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. Fishermen means here the people who exploit the earth or the natural resources for their own interest. He says, the poet says here, when we all keep quiet, fishermen would not harm the whales at that time. If we all keep quiet, then fishermen would not harm the whales at that time. Means modern man will not make this harm to whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hard hands, and the man gathering salt and the man who are engaged in gathering salt from the sea, when they look at their fingers, they would realize that they have hurt their fingers by maybe by selling the salt they might earn money, but they have hurt their fingers. তাদের টাকা রোজগার হচ্ছে, they can earn, but they have hurt their fingers. So the man gathering salt would look at his hard hands, and these unmindful of their harm they are doing to themselves. They are harming the nature, they are harming themselves, they are disturbing the ecosystem of the world. And so fishermen in that cold water sea would not go if we all keep quiet for some time. বুঝতে পেরেছো? So fishermen would so the fishermen in that cold water, in that cold sea water, would not go if we all keep quiet for some moment. Okay, then আচ্ছা, which দেখো এখানে কি বলছেন কবি, যে he always says that we should put an end to the activities, we shall not speak any language. The poet here says we should put an end to all the activities, we shall not speak any languages, and just concentrate inwardly. নিজেদেরকে তুমি introspect করো, inwardly just concentrate yourself, that is meditate. The poet here wants to say that we want that to meditate everyone. What we have achieved so far, we ask ourselves what we have achieved, what we have been doing so far. Is it only the money part which is important in our lives? Is it only money we earn so far? Is it very important in our lives? কবি এই কোশ্চেন গুলো করছেন, সেই জন্য কবি বলছেন if we all be quiet for some moments, then আমাদের ecosystem harm হবে না. There are no the people who are disturbing the ecosystem, who are disturbing the nature, who are harming the nature and also themselves, all would stop for a moment. All would stop for a moment, and they are unmindful of their harm they are doing to themselves, is would stop and would stop for a moment. এটাই কবি. So if we all be quiet, যদি আমরা সবাই if we all keep quiet, then there are no disturbing in ecosystem of the world or any environmental disturbance, nothing else. If we all quiet for a moment. Next page. Those who prepare green words. Those who prepare green words. Here the word those means people who are over ambitious, like politicians, businessmen, scientists, etc. Okay, those who are prepared green words. Green word means war against nature or war against environment. So we are those who are prepared green wars with gas, wars with fire, বলছে, now the poet here tells that the what those means who are over ambitious, politician, businessman, scientists, those people who are preparing for green wars with all sorts of weapons like harmful gases, fire means here these weapons, these weapons which are nuclear and chemical weapons. So they are called fire pin. Here fire means weapons, those are nuclear and chemical, which are created by man and that are used by countries to carry out wars. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. These have pushed mankind, these war which are created by man that are used by countries to carry out wars, and these have pushed mankind to its tragic end. So the poet here realized the victory means the victory with no survivor means even though a country might win a war, but it could not still be considered a win because by this time they celebrate their victory, but there will be no there will be no one left to celebrate. They are engaged whenever they are engaged in such activities, or at that time they are left with their brothers, with their relatives. So see, he always urges us to stop such activities, and we might win a war, but it could not be a win. The poet here says that the poet here realizes that they are left with the earth with no survivor. They are left with the war. They are left with the earth with no survivor. The species of man would become extinct. How? By war. তো এখানে those who prepare green wars, those means who are over ambitious, like politicians, businessmen, scientists, etc. And green war means war against nature or war against environment. People who are preparing for green wars with all sorts of weapons, with all sorts of harmful weapons, and harmful gases, all sorts of weapons like harmful gases or fire. Here, fire means weapons which are nuclear, weapons which are chemical, which are created by man, and that are used by other countries, by many countries to carry out wars, and these have pushed mankind to its tragic end. So the poet here says that, realizes that if a country might win a war, but it would not still be considered a win because they left and they are left with the earth with no survivor. Then what I want should not be confused. What I want would not be confused with total inactivity. Now the poet clarifies the point of view that he says that he said so far it should never be confused with inactivity. He only wants people to take a pause. What I want should not be confused. এতক্ষণ যা বলে এসছি আমি, বলছেন কবি, তোমরা ভেবো না আমি সবাইকে বলছি ইনঅ্যাক্টিভ হয়ে যেতে। It should not be, it should never be confused with inactivity. He only wants people to take a pause, to take a pause and think about what they have been doing so far. Rather, he wants to interrupt the activities. So Here the poet says, what I want should not be confused with total inactivity. You should not confused. I never told you, I mean, it should never be, he said, it should never be confused with inactivity. He just, people, he only wants people to take a pause and think over what he have done so far. I want to, life is what it is about. I want no track with death. If we are not, so we are, life is what it is about. I want to, um, I want no track with it. আচ্ছা তোমাদেরকে আগের প্যারাটাতে এই জায়গাটা বলা হয়নি না, যে আমি জাস্ট আই এম টেলিং দ্য previous stanza. Those who prepare green words with gas, words with fire, victory with survivors would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers. Oh, that means would put on clean clothes at their, why they would put on clean clothes? Because as they are stained with blood, as their clothes stained with blood or mud while they are fighting, their clothes are stained with blood. So the poet asks them to wear clean clothes. He also asks them to forget their enemies. The poet asks them to forget their enemies and walk with them just like brother. He asks them to forget their enemies and walk with them just like brothers and do nothing. In the said, do nothing. He does not mean for us to maintain. I want, next, what I want should not be confused with total inactivity. এটা তো আমি বললাম, life is what it is about. I want no track with death. He does not mean for us to maintain death like silence. He does not mean for us. It does never mean for us that to maintain death like silence. If we are not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving, and now the and for once could not do nothing. Single-minded means, if we are not so single-minded means the people who are always running after material gains, who are always running after material gains, for the cost of inner peace. We do not stop to look at ourselves and the world around us. Single-minded means the people who are always running after money, running after material gains. So the poet here says that if we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness and never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. Means rather he wants to interrupt the sad, the cruel, the baleful. Baleful means the threatening to cause harm. That is baleful. Rather, here the poet wants to interrupt the sad, cruel, harmful, or baleful activities of the world for a few moments, and to make the people introspect their own actions. And to make the people introspect their own action. Perhaps the art can teach us, as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Perhaps the art can teach us, we can learn from the Mother Earth also. We also can teach Mother Earth also can teach us many things. In winter, as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. See, in winter season, we see everything seems dead. But in spring, nature looks very beautiful. Nature looks busy with life. And the same process should be followed in also human in human being or followed by us. What is the lesson we learn from the nature, not learn from the Mother Earth? The poet here says that there is perhaps the art can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. That means there is life after death. There is life after death. When everything seems to come to an end, it will reborn. There would be resurrection. There would be resurrection. There would be rebirth. People would get up. It is believed in Christianity. You have heard that it is believed in Christianity that every dead person would come back to earth. So this kind of belief has got something to teach us. It needs to be understand that when we die, we come back to life again. When we die, we come back to life again. So if we put an end to all over the destructive activities, we can relive this life more meaningfully. We can relive or we can live this life with more meaningfully and enjoy with our brothers rather than separating ourselves. And we can enjoy this life. And we can enjoy this life. So then the poet here says, the poet says that there is life after death. When everything seems to come to an end, no, it will then reborn. There would be resurrection, rebirth. Every এখানে এই কথাটা বলেছে যে hence so the poet here says that we should also learn from nature. When in winter season everything seems dead, but in spring nature looks very beautiful, looks very busy. That means everything will reborn. There would be resurrection, there would be rebirth. People would get up, and we can relive this life more meaningfully. We can enjoy this life more meaningfully if we can control ourselves from all the destructive activities. Okay, then now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Hence, we should count up to 12. So, the poet says here that we should count up to 12. 1, 2, take it 12. And that's time, and you keep quiet and I will go. That time let us keep quiet. That time let us keep quiet. Here the poet says that count to 12 and we should count up to 12 and keep quiet. By being silent, we can introspecting ourselves. And the people who are always running after money at the cost of inner peace, they never look at themselves and the world around us. They never look at themselves and world around us. Have you understood? এইটুকুই তো কবিতাটা, বুঝেছো তোমরা? আমি কি বললাম কিছু বোঝা গেছে না বুঝতে পারোনি? হ্যাঁ, বোঝা গেছে? হ্যাভ ইউ আন্ডারস্টুড?
Yes, ma'am.
আচ্ছা, এখানে দেখো,
Yes, ma'am.
আমি বলছি, দেখো কতগুলো জিনিস তোমরা একটু মনে রাখবে। মানে যখন দেখো উইদাউট রাশ, ওই যে সেকেন্ড স্ট্যান্ডার্ডে যা আমি বলছি, ওই যে দেখো বলছে কোথায় গেল, ইট উড বি exotic moment without rush, without inches. Third para, in the third para, without rush means here the poet wants to tell us that when we don't have the hurry to go here and there, we are not in a hurry to reach in our offices. We are not in a hurry to go to marketplace or friends or relatives. এটা বলছে without engine means without the noises, without pollution of the motor cars, of the engines of the road, then we are in peace and we are not go hurry to go here and there. Sudden strangeness, that means, what is the meaning of sudden strangeness? What it would be strange? What it would be strange? Because it does not happen usually. That so many people just stay quiet. কখনো হয় একসাথে সবাই চুপ করে আছে, কোনোদিন হয় না. So it would be strange that so many people just stay quiet, don't do much, and are just thinking inwardly, just meditate. The poet means that at such a time, when we are not in a hurry to go here and there, when there is no noise of the motor cars, trucks, engines, or any other vehicles, and we and sitting together and very quietly thinking about ourselves, thinking about our lives, what we have done throughout this time, then it would be a wonderful moment. Then it would be a wonderful moment. It would be a strange moment because it does not happen normally, so it would strange. And it would be a very lovely moment. And the fisherman, and the poet here means the fisherman. Fisherman means the modern people, modern day people, or the people who exploit the earth or nature. Here the poet means by the fisherman the modern men who are exploiting with nature, or who are disturbing nature, who exploit the earth's natural resources. They are called fishermen. Here the poet means by the fisherman, in modern man is always ready to make progress. He would not harm if we all keep quiet, then the fishermen would not harm the whales. Why are the people catching the fish? Why are people harming whale? Because to this world is killing fish every day to get more and more money. So fishermen in the cold sea would not do so. They are disturbing the ecosystem. They are ignorant of the fact that they are unmindfully disturbing the ecosystem of the world. So fishermen in the old sea would not do so if they keep quiet. That means modern man would be mindful of the harm he is doing. Modern man would be mindful of the harm he is doing to the nature, to make progress. So here fisherman is the symbolic of the modern man, or the man who exploit the earth's natural resources. Fisherman would not harm the whales at that time when we all keep quiet. He insists us, he is appealing to us that if we all keep quiet, fishermen would not harm the whales at that time. That means fishermen would not make so-called progress. And the men who are engaged in gathering salt from the sea, they will when they look after their fingers and realize that they have hurt their fingers and is gathering salt from the sea. Maybe by selling that salt, they might be earning money. But this thing harm them, which they are doing to themselves. They harm themselves. So we go a little back and realize that what man would gain by introspecting himself or herself, that all the time nobody would be engaged in any harmful activity. They are harming the nature and also themselves. This is the destruction they are bringing about, and that effect is really very dreadful or devastating. It is also ruining our future generation. So here the poet urges us to keep quiet. Have you understood? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
বুঝেছো? ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে তোমাদের না হয়নি বলো? যে কজন আছো যারা আসনি কিছু করার নেই আমার, কারণ আমার সকালবেলা খুব ডিস্টার্ব ছিল নেটটা। নেটের এত প্রবলেম হচ্ছিল আমি বুঝতে পারছিলাম না কেন কি হলো। ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট দিন আমি আবার না হয় এটা একটু পড়িয়ে দিয়ে তোমাদের। রঞ্জিত স্যার কি পড়িয়েছে? রঞ্জিত স্যার হোয়াট রঞ্জিত স্যার দিচ্ছি? হ্যাঁ, টাইগার কিং কমপ্লিট?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেছে না?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেছে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট ডেতে আবার কোনো একটা কিছু পড়াবো, দেখি কোনটা পড়ানো হয় তোমাদের। হ্যাভ ইউ গট ইউর সিলেবাস? CBSE syllabus, have you got anyone? Hello, have you got your syllabus?
No, ma'am.
Have you?
No, ma'am.
আমরাও তো পাইনি, we are not getting it. আমরাও তো এখনো পাইনি, কি যে প্রবলেম, কি করবো জানি না। TBSE হ্যাঁ বলো।
ম্যাম, সিবিএসই তো বললো এবার মানে যা আছে পুরোটাই সিলেবাস থাকবে, মানে কিছু রিডাকশন হবে না।
কে বললো হবে রিজেকশন? হবেই
না, আপাতত কিছু না, আপাতত বলেছে যে কোনো রিডাকশন।
কি জানে, আমাদের কাছে তো এরকম কোনো নিউজ আসেনি। তা যাই হোক, আমরা লাস্ট ইয়ারে যেইগুলো পড়িয়েছি ওগুলোই পড়াচ্ছি, দেখা যাক। এরপর আমাদের উই আর ওয়েটিং ফর দ্য সিলেবাস, নিউ সিলেবাস, রিডিউস সিলেবাস কি আসে। এটা রিডিউস তো হবেই, ক্লাস হচ্ছে না, রিডিউস সিলেবাস হবে না, স্কুল খোলেনি। সেই জন্য বলছি তোমরা ঠিক আছে, তোমরা কিপিং কোয়ারটা ভালো করে পড়ো। যদি কোনো প্রবলেম থাকে আমাকে বলবে, পার্সোনালি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে লিখবে, আমি বলে দেবো। আর আমি তোমাদেরকে কোশ্চেন দিয়ে দেবো, হ্যাঁ, কিপিং কোয়ার্টের সবগুলো, ঠিক আছে? ওকে
ওকে ম্যাম।
Okay, ma'am.
ওকে, গুড নাইট। গুড নাইট, দিস অল ফর টুডে, and stay healthy and take care of yourself. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
বাই ম্যাম।
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.